How to travel for 30 days with zero plastic waste. Traveling the world is one of life's greatest joys, but it comes with a responsibility that's impossible to ignore. The impact of plastic pollution. From single-use water bottles and straws to packaged snacks and disposable toiletries, plastic waste accumulates quickly, even during short trips. Imagine the amount of plastic a 30-day journey could produce if no precautions are taken. It's overwhelming, but here's the good news. You don't have to contribute to it. It's not about sacrificing comfort or convenience, it's about making smarter decisions that reduce your footprint while still enjoying every moment of your journey. Reusable water bottles, refillable containers, and sustainable accommodations are just the beginning. With the right mindset, you can explore cities, hike mountains, and sample local cuisines, all without leaving a trail of plastic behind. This video walks you through 7 essential strategies to travel 30 days completely plastic-free. Your adventure can be amazing and environmentally responsible. Let's watch. 1. Pack smart with reusable essentials. Your journey begins before you even leave home. To minimize plastic, start by packing reusable items for daily use. Key items include a durable water bottle, stainless steel or bamboo cutlery, a collapsible food container, and a cloth shopping bag. Avoid disposable packaging in advance by bringing refillable toiletries in glass or metal containers. Solid shampoo and conditioner bars, toothpaste tablets, and reusable razors are excellent alternatives to plastic bottles and packaging. Clothing and accessories should also be chosen carefully. 2. Choose plastic-free accommodation. Accommodation choices play a vital role in reducing plastic waste. Many hotels and hostels provide single-use toiletries, plastic-wrapped items, or disposable amenities. Instead, look for eco-friendly accommodations that prioritize sustainability. Hostels, guest houses, and boutique hotels often support zero-waste practices. Some even provide refill stations for soaps, shampoos, and detergents. Alternatively, consider renting apartments or Airbnbs, which allow you to cook your own meals, bring your reusable containers, and avoid plastic packaging from packaged foods. Eco-lodges or campsites are excellent options if you prefer a more sustainable connection with nature. 3. Rethink food and drink choices. Food and drinks are major sources of plastic waste while traveling. Single-use packaging, bottled water, and prepackaged snacks can add up quickly. To avoid this, always carry your reusable water bottle and a refillable coffee cup. Many cities now have water refill stations or public taps suitable for drinking. If you're traveling internationally, research whether tap water is safe to drink in advance. When it comes to meals, shop at local markets and buy fresh produce in bulk without plastic packaging. Bring your reusable bags or produce nets to avoid disposable bags. Eating at restaurants or street food stalls that serve meals in reusable or biodegradable containers is also essential. 4. Minimize single-use items during activities. Outdoor and recreational activities are common sources of plastic waste, from disposable water bottles on hikes to packaged snacks during excursions. Prepare by packing your own snacks in reusable containers and carrying a refillable water bottle at all times. If you're renting bikes, kayaks, or other equipment, ask providers about reusable options or whether you can bring your own gear. Avoid activities that rely heavily on plastic disposables, such as single-use picnic setups or plastic-wrapped tour lunches. By staying mindful during excursions and recreational activities, you prevent unnecessary plastic from entering the environment, while also setting an example for responsible tourism. 5. Shop mindfully and support local alternatives. Shopping while traveling is inevitable, but it doesn't have to generate plastic waste. Focus on buying locally produced goods rather than imported items, which are often packaged in plastic. Choose handmade crafts, textiles, or food items sold without packaging. Bring reusable shopping bags or baskets to carry purchases. Avoid souvenirs made of plastic or items that come wrapped in single-use packaging. 6. Practice responsible transportation. Transportation might not seem directly connected to plastic waste, but how you travel can greatly influence your exposure to disposable plastics. Air travel, for instance, frequently involves single-use plastic-wrapped amenities, bottled water, and pre-packaged meals. Opting for trains, buses, or ferries whenever possible gives you the freedom to carry your own reusable water bottles, snacks, and utensils, drastically reducing plastic consumption. Even on short trips, walking or cycling not only lowers carbon emissions, but also minimizes encounters with convenience plastics sold at stations, kiosks, or tourist stops. Having your reusable bottle, cup, and cutlery always on hand ensures you're never compelled to rely on disposable items while in transit. Thoughtful planning of transportation, considering both mode and duration, allows you to avoid many of the common plastic pitfalls that accumulate during a month-long journey. By making sustainable travel choices, you protect the environment while maintaining convenience, proving that plastic-free travel is entirely feasible even on the move. 7. Maintain a zero-waste mindset. A zero-waste lifestyle while traveling requires conscious effort and mindfulness. Always carry your reusable items. Plan ahead for meals and accommodations, and anticipate situations where plastic may be offered. Learn to politely refuse single-use plastics, whether it's a straw, bag, or cutlery. Documenting your journey and sharing tips with other travelers helps spread awareness. Staying flexible and resourceful is key. Sometimes alternative solutions may not be obvious, but problem-solving creatively keeps you plastic-free. Even small actions, like refusing plastic straws or carrying your own containers, add up over 30 days to create a significant environmental impact. By following these 7 points, it's entirely possible to explore the world for 30 days without producing a single piece of disposable plastic, proving that adventure and sustainability can go hand in hand. Conclusion: traveling plastic-free for 30 days may sound challenging, but it is not only achievable, it can transform the way you experience the world by committing to these 7 strategies. You prove that it is possible to explore the world fully for an entire month without generating a single piece of disposable plastic. Your journey can inspire others, protect natural spaces, and show that responsible, sustainable travel is not only realistic, it's the future of exploration. Let us know in the comments what you think about how to travel for 30 days with zero plastic waste. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.